Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Groww account is active, KYC and PAN are validated, and you can receive OTPs. Once done, open the app and go straight to Portfolio or SIPs. This shows your live SIPs. Tap the exact SIP to stop so you can see folio details, SIP amount, and next debit date. Make sure to note scheme name and units, because you'll need this when choosing stop or pause options. This prevents picking the wrong SIP by accident. Once on the scheme page, tap Manage or the Stop SIP button and choose Stop, Pause, or Modify. You want Stop to permanently end future debits. Then pick the effective stop date and check for any upcoming pending debit so you avoid an unintended payment. Confirm the choice and authenticate with the OTP sent to your phone. After confirmation, Groww will show a success message. Make sure you get an email or SMS receipt. And note processing times, because redemptions may settle in T+2 days. Now to withdraw money, go to Portfolio and Holdings, select the scheme or folio and tap Redeem. Choose whether you want full redemption, partial amount, or specific units. Check for exit load, lock-in, or capital gains implications so you know net proceeds. Confirm the redemption and authenticate with OTP. Once processed, proceeds will be credited to your linked bank account in the stated settlement time, usually T+2. If the transfer fails, verify bank details and contact Groww support with your transaction ID as a troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.